2020 is definitely a special year, and COVID-19 is creating a lot of uncertainty. In an attempt to save the economy, governments are printing money like crazy, which of course devaluates the value of money itself. That's why a lot of people and investors are trading their dollars and euros for gold. But gold is not the only option. Several people are now looking at cryptocurrency, and especially Bitcoin, as it's the digital gold. That is why we're going to take a look in this video at how you can get started in crypto in 2020. Before we get started, it is important to know that the crypto space is definitely like the wild, wild west. So it is not without risk, and you should not invest more money than you can lose. It is really important that you know that this is not like the stock market, and you are responsible for whatever happens. In this video, we're going to take a look at Coinbase. Coinbase is the biggest exchange for cryptocurrency, and it's the easiest to use. Small disclaimer, of course there are several options out there in the market, and I only picked this one because this one is very easy to use when you get started. It has a few nice features and also a pro version to move on when you get a little bit more experience. It is also important to know this is definitely not the cheapest option out there, and if you are a professional trader, there are definitely better options for you. In this quick introduction to cryptocurrency, we are going to make use of Coinbase because Coinbase is very easy to use. They have insurance on all their assets, and they have a very simple app. So it's the best way to get started, but that doesn't mean that this is the only option out there. So the first thing you do is go to coinbase.com. Once you arrive, you click Get Started. Then you fill in your first name, last name, email, and you choose a password. Once you've signed up, you will have to verify your email. The next thing you do is fill in a phone number. Just as with a bank, you will have to identify yourself. So you fill in your first name, last name, date of birth, address, and so forth. The next thing you'll have to do is verify your identity with either a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Once you have been verified, you will get access to the dashboard. Here you will see your balance and how your balance has evolved. Trading and buying will be very easy. You just click trade, and the first thing you'll have to do is deposit some money. When you click deposit, you'll be able to transfer some money from your regular bank account to the Coinbase account. Once you have money, you can start purchasing your crypto. Before you get started, I do want to suggest to use the Coinbase Learn program. You can find this program right here. It says Earn Free Crypto with Coinbase Earn. Just click on here and you'll be taken to the Crypto Earn page. Here you can click on videos and learn more about the different cryptos. Because crypto projects cannot make any promotion on Google or Facebook ads, they have to spend their marketing dollars in another way. So instead of paying a YouTuber or Google or whatever, they will simply pay you $2 to watch this video and answer a few questions just to make sure that you really understand what the project is about. Another way to get started with crypto trading without putting in any money is the referral program. A lot of crypto exchanges and crypto programs work with referral systems because they cannot use the conventional ways to promote their products. So simply by promoting, for example, Coinbase to another person, you will both get $10, or converted to euros, it is about 8.45. So to get you started, you will find an affiliate link in the description of this video. This of course is not obligated, you can just go to coinbase.com and get started. A very important note, if you sign up with Coinbase and you leave your money and coins on the exchange, that means they are owned and protected by Coinbase. This also means that in the event that Coinbase would go bankrupt, then you will have the same situation as with the banks. If there is a bank that goes bankrupt, you will lose your money unless the governments step in. In this case, the government will not step in. If Coinbase goes bankrupt, then you will lose your money. But as I mentioned before, Coinbase is the biggest, and they are also protected from theft. All the coins on the exchange are insured. When you're new to cryptocurrency, I do suggest that you would stick to Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is not financial advice, but this is what I would do because the biggest two cryptos are the least volatile. When you're ready to jump into the crypto space, make sure you don't dump in your money altogether. Crypto in general is very volatile, so it's best to buy a little. If you buy a little every week, then you will have a nice average price. Otherwise, you might have the risk that you bought too high and that the crypto drops and that you don't have any money to buy back in again. One last thing to keep in mind, that the cryptocurrency space is still the wild, wild west. This means that it's very comparable to the stock market in the 1900s. There is very little regulation, there is no government to step in, so you are responsible for whatever you do. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video.